Hi, my name is Ashley Bontrager, and I am founder and CEO of Ember Recreational Vehicles. Today, I am here at the AT&T Stadium with Funtown RV at their big show. I'm standing right now in front of our micro series, our Overland micro series. This floor plan is called the ROK. The ROK stands for a rear outdoor kitchen. If you look around the back here, you'll see what I mean. We give you a kitchen in the back to do all your cooking in. You get a nice 12-volt freezer, fridge combination cooler here, dual sides. You can put them to whatever temperature you like. You get a griddle that you can cook on and a 12-volt TV. We also have a roll floor plan. If you can imagine all of these things that I just talked about eliminated, you now have the rear outdoor locker. You're able to do whatever you want in that space, store your gear, take your bikes along, whatever it is you want. So we sell the rear outdoor kitchen as well as the rear outdoor locker. We can take a look inside. So again, on the inside, pretty simple in here, but we do give you a food jack is what this is called. It's basically like a futon. So during the day, you could have it set up in couch mode. During the night when you're ready to sleep, you can lay it down and it becomes a nice bed for you. It ends up being about 80 inches long. We added a padded headboard here for extra sleeping space. We also put in a nice swivel table here. So if you ever need to come inside, do a little work or eat inside, you have that. We were able to also include some pass-through storage for your gear as you travel around. As with everything too, that comes from Ember, we are building on a stronger foundation, which started with an independent suspension. So underneath us, we have heavy-duty coil springs, dual shocks on each of the wheels for a truly trailing arm independent suspension. And we paired that with Goodyear off-road tires, and then also with a tube steel frame so that it is more rugged and stronger for all the off-road adventures that you want to go on. The off-grid, this comes with a 26-gallon water tank as well, and one solar panel, one 190-watt solar panel up top, and a 1,000-watt inverter so that you can go off-grid and you don't have to be plugged in at a traditional campground.
Guys, make sure to like, follow, and share, and remember, the fun starts here.